So for this week's Trades of the Week, we're going to take a look back at the 4-hour chart opportunities for last week. So here we are, the 12th of May now. So just really reviewing trades from last week on that time frame. And really it's been a lot of opportunities on the New Zealand dollar over the last week or so. Some great trades, some really nice winners, and a bit of action on some of the other markets as well. Predominantly though sort of bossed by action on the New Zealand dollar. So if you're trading that, there was plenty to keep you occupied last week. Certainly that buy there, first of all there on the 6th of May, giving us a buy at 106.84. Now the way we look to trade the 4-hour charts is just to go for simple 40-point gains on these ones really. Just keep it nice and simple. Look for those small gains. But look to take them regularly, essentially. So there was our buy, 106.84, and actually out on that trade really quickly on that first bar. So even in the small hours, notching profit there with our auto target put in there onto your trading platforms, getting us nicely out of that trade. Moving through to alphabetically, we're going to do these Euro Swiss. We had a trade there on sort of Monday, late afternoon, and on the 5th of May, and we had a buy there on Euro Swiss. Stopped out on this one for a small loss. The good thing about Euro Swiss at the moment is in such a tight range, actually it's very minimal loss of sort of 10 to 15 points max, so really no damage done there necessarily there points wise for our weekly tallies, and certainly that was say no real problems, but low ticked and then the market rallied. A bit frustrating, but it is what it is, and you know, you will have losers from time to time, and you put the stop in, you set, you forget, and you allow a trade the run out. And here we are latterly, Euro New Zealand, giving us a nice profit on that trade there. Now, it's very much the way it was for a lot of those New Zealand trades. We're going to move on to that in a second, but before I do, alphabetically moving on to Sterling CAD. Lovely trade on Sterling CAD, which really kicked in on Friday there. Friday 6 p.m, 183.56. So if you're looking for that 40-point gain, you're looking for just shy of 184s as the target there. The high there coming through really nicely through that objective there so earlier today, moving through to 84.09. So really moving nicely in excess of that 40-point gain on Sterling CAD. Very nice profit, very nice winner there, starting the week up with a nice chalk up of some profits there. Moving on to some more New Zealand dollar markets, we've got 5 more, and that's what we're going to conclude with. Sterling New Zealand, textbook buy there from the 7th of May. New Zealand CAD, lovely. New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand Yen, and then finally New Zealand Dollar, all picking up some really great gains there, all of which achieving that minimum 40-point objective that we're looking for those 4-hour charts. And if you've taken on all of those trades, you'd have made yourself a pretty penny, that's for sure. So easy enough to identify. Those are the vast majority of the 4-hour trades for the week, and hopefully you managed to get on a few of them as well. All the best and have a good week's trading.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.